welcome to CodeRush Feature of the Week. So Mark, what have we got this week?
Rory, this week I'm going to show you selection increase and selection decrease.
Okay, sure.
These features are bound by default to Control W and Control Shift W, but there's also an option to bind them to the numeric keypad. So if you've got a keyboard with the numeric keypad off to the right side, you can optionally have this feature bound to the num plus and the num minus keys. So for the purpose of this, I'll also be saying num plus and num minus because those are easy to remember and they're big, nice keys to hit, easy to grab, easy to hit. But if you don't have that, just substitute Control W and Control Shift W when I say those.
Sure.
So I'm inside a string here and I want to get the inside, just the string itself without the quotes. If I just hit that num plus key once, it'll grab that for me. Makes it easy to copy that to the clipboard or replace that if I want. Right?
Sure.
If I hit it one more time, it'll grab the outer quote delimiters. If I hit it again one more time, it'll now grab all the neighboring parameters to the method call, which is, you can see off to the left, is get double animation.
Sure.
If I hit it one more time, I'll now grab the method call and all of its parameters. Right? See what's happening? And as I keep going out, now I'm grabbing all the parameters to the call to set target. One more time out. Now I get the call to set target. This feature is really useful when we're talking about refactoring code. It allows me very quickly, I'm going to just reverse this by hitting the num minus key to get all the way back, right? It allows me very quickly to grab a selection by hitting the key a bunch of times and then realizing, oh, I've gone too far, but backing it up just a bit, right?
Yes.
Very fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, too far, back, and I've got it. Or maybe I want to get all of the siblings inside this try-catch block. Or maybe I want to get the try-catch block. Or maybe I want to include the if. I'm just hitting that num plus button. Or maybe I want to get all these siblings inside and extract this to another method.
I'm assuming we don't have to start though at the smallest scale there. We could start maybe at the call to get double animation or perhaps just at the if itself.
Yes. So for example, if we're here and we hit num plus, we grab that method call, the name one more time, and we've got all its parameters. If we're up here on the if and we hit num plus, we grab all of its children.
So it literally is the single most sensible block, for want of a better phrase, based on where you're starting.
Exactly. And it doesn't take long, right? So if I'm here, once gets me the type, one more time gets me the whole method. If I'm up here on the private keyword, one time is all I need to get the whole method. Okay? And so that is selection increase and selection decrease. To set these up, you want to be inside of the setup wizard, probably the easiest place to get to these. And it's right here on this page, the numeric keypad bindings. Just have this checkbox checked.
I see the graphic there showing exactly what we mean.
And you'll be able to use the num plus and the num minus to increase and decrease the selection. And that's it.
It's a great set of keys because, I mean, it's exactly what it says on the tin. Make this bigger, make this smaller. Bigger selection, smaller selection. Very easy to remember.
Exactly. And by the way, that bigger key is the one you're going to hit more often, right? You're often increasing. The other key is right next to it. So if you overshoot, you just move your finger up and go back. It's much easier to hit than Control Shift W and Control W. That's why I use those. That's why I prefer those. Yeah, but it's a great feature.
Great stuff, Mark. Well, thank you very much. We'll see you next week on Feature of the Week. For more Feature of the Week videos, click one of the 2 video links on screen or select from our playlist. Download and learn more about CodeRush from the DevExpress website. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to receive all the latest CodeRush feature videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.